Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bouncy Dino from Joyville. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eye with a circle. Then let's add another circle inside. And color this one in black. Next, let's add the goggles with 2 more circles around this one. And now let's add the straps. On the right side, let's draw 2 curves going out, and then a curve to close it off. Then for the left side, let's draw 2 curves going up and out, and again a curve to close off the end. Now on the inside, on top of each strap, let's draw a curved line on the top and on the bottom of each one. And that's it for the eye and the goggles. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a small curve down. Then from the top, let's bring it up and over to the other side. Then let's angle it down underneath. Now let's hop back over to the right side and let's add the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve over to the left, and then let's do the same thing underneath. Now from both lines, let's curve it down and back over to the right. And then a curve at the end to close it off. Now in between on the right side, let's add an angled line. And that's it for the shape of the mouth. Now let's move in and draw the teeth. Let's draw 5 rectangle shapes at the top. And the same thing on the bottom. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop down on the left side and let's draw the first arm. Let's start next to the mouth on the left and let's draw a curve out and down. And then add another curve underneath. Now from both ends, let's curve it back in and to the right. Now at the end, let's add the hand. Let's draw a curve up and down at the top, and then 3 more curves for the fingers. And then add V-shaped points at the end of each finger for the nails. And lastly, under the arm, let's add 3 triangle spikes. And that's it for the arm. Now let's hop back to the top of the head and let's add some more spikes. Let's draw a triangle at the top, and then keep going all the way down on the left. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start underneath the mouth on the right and let's draw a curve down. Then for the end, let's bring it down and curve it in. Now let's hop back over underneath the left arm and let's draw another curve down and over, leaving a small gap. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's add the patch on the stomach. Let's start inside on the right and let's draw a wavy line across under the mouth. Then for the end, let's curve it down and up. Now let's hop back down to the bottom and let's draw the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw 2 angled lines down, with the right one being slightly shorter. Then let's draw a point out and back up for the foot. Now let's move to the right and let's draw the other leg in the same way. And that's it for the legs and feet. Next, let's move over to the right side and draw the other arm and hand. Let's start on the right side of the body and let's draw a curve down and up. And the same thing underneath. Now for the hand, let's draw a curve up and around for the thumb. And then 3 more fingers to close it off. Now at the end, let's draw a point for the fingernails. Now inside on the palm, let's draw a bean shape like this. And lastly, 3 triangle spikes along the side of the arm. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move to the bottom left and let's add the tail. Let's start next to the body and let's draw a curve down and out. And then curve it back in. And lastly, along the top, let's add triangle spikes. And that's it for Bouncy Dino. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!